If you get this error when trying to buy Xbox games or subscribe to Xbox Game Pass, you are not alone. Sometimes, you will get this kind of error. It is said that it is incorrect region, and you need to update your settings to the region where you play. This error happens when you have a mismatch region or country between region in your Microsoft account, your Xbox console, and country in your Baymonthid. And to fix this incorrect region error in Xbox, it is very easy. Stay tuned until the end. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's verify that our country or region in Xbox console has correct. Turn on your Xbox and open Xbox settings. Then, open System and select Language and Location. Here, you can see all of your region settings in your Xbox console. Make sure you have the correct region. You can use whatever region you like, as long as it is matched with your borrowment in your account. For example, if you want to buy cheap Xbox games in Xbox Game Pass, you can choose Turkey region. After you successfully change your region in your console, now let's check our region in our Microsoft account. First, open Google Search, and then search Microsoft account like this. Click this web page. In this page, you need to log into your Microsoft account. Make sure you log in using the same Microsoft account. Then, open your Info tab here. Here, you can see, this is the page where you can change your Microsoft account region. To change the region, click Country or Region here. Make sure you choose the correct region. Sometimes, the region in your account is back to default, so you really need to make sure all of this. Remember, please make sure the region is matched with your Xbox console. If everything is correct, click Save button here. Okay, this is it. Now we have already changed our Xbox region and Microsoft account region. Next step, let's try to buy Xbox games or subscribe to Xbox Game Pass. Go to Xbox Store in your Xbox console, and then search Xbox Game Pass. You can use this in Xbox One, Xbox Series S, and Xbox Series X. Select Xbox Game Pass. Press Join to buy Xbox Game Pass subscription. Here, make sure your payment method is correct and matched with your region. Then, press Subscribe button. If everything is correct, you now successfully resolve the incorrect region error in your Xbox console. You can use Xbox gift card to buy Xbox games, or subscribe to Xbox Game Pass subscription using the currency you want and get the game for free. Don't miss this chance today.